Welcome and thank you for purchasing the Editable Church Anniversary Flyer template from my shop. In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through how to edit and download your flyer using Canva, so you can create the perfect invitation for your church event. Everything on the flyer is fully editable. Let's get started. Click on any text to update the church name, event year, date, time, and location. Edit the names of speakers, performers, or choirs by clicking their text boxes. To add your own photos, upload your images using the Uploads tab on the left. Then simply click the photo area and drag your photo into the box until it snaps into place. You can also change colors and fonts to match your church's theme. Just use the color and font tools in the top menu. Editing black and gold shapes. If you want to change the color, size, or arrangement of any of the black and gold shapes, like the main title background, ticket circles, or banners, just click on the shape. If the shape is grouped with other elements, click Ungroup at the top so you can edit each piece individually. Now you can change the shape's color, move it, or resize it. Now, drag the cursor over both elements to group back together. To change the color of an element or background, select it and use the color picker to change the color as shown. Tip: if you make a mistake, just click undo or use Ctrl-Z, Command-Z on Mac. Feel free to move or delete any sections you don't need. For example, if you don't have ticket prices, just click the ticket area and press delete. Once you're happy with your flyer, click the Share button in the top right corner. Click Download, then choose PDF for printing. Choose JPEG or PNG for sharing online. Then click Download. Flyer will now be saved in a file on your computer or device.